Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sekhar'sLogicTricks. Today we are discussing about multiplication with 11. We have trick in multiplication with 11. General multiplication are nothing but 34 into 11. 4, 3. 1 4 jar 4, 1 3 jar 3. It is 374. But in this Vedic maths, one interesting trick with 2-digit number multiplication with 11. It is nothing but place 10th place value and unit place value and place 3 plus 4 in between them. See, it is the answer. In 2-digit multiplication, any number multiply with 11 like this only it is possible. Let us check another two more examples. 52 into 11, nothing but 5 2 7. It is right or wrong. Once we have to check it in general multiplication. 5 2 into 11, 1 2 jar 2, 1 5 jar 5, 1 2 jar 2, 1 5 jar 5, 574. So nothing but we have to follow 2 steps only, that is place unit digit value and 10th digit value. Addition of these two values, place in between them, it is the answer. Let us check another two more examples. But we have another logic in it. See, unit digit value 8. Before placing the value 5 plus 8 13, so 3 and 1 is borrow. It is the answer. Let us explain once again. Wait. 58 into 11, nothing but unit digit value, place before placing 5 plus 3, 5 plus 8, nothing but 13. See, 3 is 1 borrow to the 5. See, 638. Like this we follow this in 2-digit multiplication with 11 in this way. In a big number we get big numbers like this. We want to follow. See, 75 into 11, nothing but 5. Before placing 7 plus 5, 12. So 2, 1 carry to the 7, 8. 825 is the answer. Okay. Now we discuss 2-digit multiplication with 11. Now we want to discuss any 3-digit number multiply by 11 in easy way. Let us see. 324 into 11, nothing but 4 2 3, 4 2 3, 4 2 3, 4. Sorry, let us discuss the 324 into 11, nothing but 4 2 3, 4 2 3, 4 plus 2 6, 2 plus 3 5, 3 5 6 4, 3 by 6 4 is the answer. But we in this we have a trick to follow by getting this answer in easy way. See, nothing but 3 2 4, place 0 here and here add two numbers. See, 0 plus 4, 4, cut 0, 4 plus 2, 6, cut 4, 2 plus 3, 5, cut 2, 3 plus 0, 3. It is the answer. Like this, we have one interesting trick in this 3-digit number, any 3-digit number multiplication with 11. Let us discuss another two more examples. See, 5, 6, 4 into 11. 5, 6, 4 into 11. Nothing but place 5, 6, 4, place 0, add. First step is nothing but place zeros. Second step is add 2 digits at a time. Two digits at a time. Okay, let us discuss. 0 plus 4, 4, cut 0, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 6, 10, 0, 1 carry, 6 plus 5, 4 cancel, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12, 2, 1 is the carry, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 cancel. Okay, now we get this as a answer. In this way, we get any 2-digit number, any 3-digit number multiplication with 11. Now, okay friends, let's try this example and message. I will comment. Please place in comment. I will reply to every comment. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your support. Like, share, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.